Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Elga 18 revision class of Unit 5 from Sri Vidya Niketan Public School, Sri Ramnagar. Before attending the class, make sure that you have your SR, workbook, notebook, pen or pencil with you all children. So the name of the Unit 5 is Adventure and Imagination. So in this unit, we will be revising whole word section, reading and listening comprehension part and grammar part. Under whole word section, we will be revising new words, metaphors, sensory details. When comes to the reading and listening comprehension part, we will be revising rhyme scheme, similes and metaphors, main idea, use of language creates an effect on the reader. When comes to the grammar part, we will be revising about connectors. So this is a concept map children. So in today's class, we will be revising whole word section. Under whole word section, first we will be revising about LUPRC strategy. Children, you people are already familiar with the LUPRC strategy. So, let us revise it once again. So, what does LUPRC strategy stands for children? Yeah, good. L stands for look for clues. Again in that we have 5 clues. That is definition, synonym, antonym, example and inference. U stands for understand the word. P stands for predict the meaning. R stands for read the sentence. C stands for check the meaning. So this is about the LUPRC strategy children. So LUPRC strategy is used to find the meaning of a new word children. So here you have a note. Refer all the stories, vocabulary words of unit 5. You are supposed to refer all the vocabulary words of the unit 5 children. So here we have day 1. Draw a line to match each word with its meaning. So you can see children, here few words are given for you all and the meaning of these words are given here in the meaning section. So you are supposed to find the meaning of a new word, of every new word which is present over here with which strategy children? Yeah, good. It is by using LUPRC strategy. Once you find the meaning of a new word, then see in the meaning section, identify the correct meaning of the word, then draw a line to match each word with its meaning children. This is how you are supposed to complete this section. Now let's move towards the next question. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct word from the box. Children, you can see here in the box few words are given for you all and here few sentences are given for you all children. So you are supposed to complete all these sentences by choosing the correct word from the box children. Now let's move towards the day 2. Here draw a line to match each word with its meaning. So you can see here few words are given over here children in the word section and meaning of each and every word which is present over here will be given here in this side children. In the meaning section, the meaning will be given of each and every word which is present over here. Use your which strategy? Good. LUPRC strategy and try to find the correct meaning of the given word over here and then see the meaning in the meaning section for the correct word and then identify the correct meaning to the related word. Then you can draw a line to match each word with its meaning children. Next, let us move towards the next question. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct word given in the box. You can see here in the box few words are given to you all children and few sentences are given for you all. You are supposed to complete this sentence by choosing the correct word. You can see in the box few words are given to you all. You are supposed to complete the sentences by choosing the correct word which is given in the box. So this is how you are supposed to complete it children. Next, let us move towards day 3. Draw a line to match each word with its meaning. You can see here in the words, few words are given to you all and in the meaning section, meanings are given for you all. So you can see here word. First, read all the words, children, and try to find the meaning of each and every word. After once you find the meaning of each and every word, then see in the meaning section whether what you have find the word of meaning of the word is present. Then try to find the correct meaning, children, using your which strategy? Good. LOPRC strategy. Then draw a line to match each word with its meaning, children. This is how you are supposed to complete this. Draw a line to match each word with its meaning, children. Next, complete the sentence by choosing the correct word from the box. So you can see here few words are given for you all in the box, children, and few sentences are given for you all here. Read all the sentences and think over the correct word for each sentence which is given in the box and complete it, children. Now let's move to day 4. Creating and using metaphors. So follow the steps below to create a metaphor to express the quality of an object or person, children. So here are few steps. Let us follow it, children. Step 1. What quality of object do you want to compare? So for this step 1, here is an example given for you all. How this step 1 can be used, you can see in this example. So here example is Mohsin's cheerfulness. So what quality of the object do you want to compare? You are supposed to first follow the step 1. Next, step 2. What other object or being has that quality? So what other object or being has that quality? You are supposed to think over that, children. Here see, it is being compared with rainbow. This is your step 2, children. Step 3. Use the verbs to be to make the comparison, remove the quality. So children, here you are supposed to use to be verbs. So the present tense of to be verbs are am, are, is. So you are supposed to use to be verbs. You can see here to be verbs is already used. So Mohsin is a rainbow. So to be verb is already used here. You can see here circle is done, no, children. So verb, that is to be verb, children, and you are supposed to remove the quality. So this is how creating and using metaphors is done, children. Now let's move towards the next, changing similes to metaphors. So here we have few steps, children. So let us go through that. Follow the steps below to convert a simile into metaphor. So we have here steps. Let us go through it, and we have an example. Simultaneously we'll go with example and steps. Step 1. Observe where like or as dash as been is used. You are supposed to observe it, children. First step is in an example you are supposed to observe here where like or as dash as is being used. So you can see here example, Rita is as cute as a kitten. So first step is you are supposed to observe. So here you can see as dash as. It is here in the example given as cute as. So step 1 is done. Step 2. Identify the two ideas that are being compared. You are supposed to identify two ideas that are being compared. So here you can see Rita's cuteness is compared with the kitten, children. This is your step 2. Step 3. Use the verb to be to make the comparison. Remove the quality. So you are supposed to remove the quality, children. Then you are supposed to use to be verbs. So the present tense of to be verbs are, is, and. So you can see here to be verb is used. Rita is a kitten. So in this way you are supposed to complete it, children. So here now you can see a simile sentence is being changed to a metaphor sentence. This is how changing similes to metaphor is done, children. So now here we have a question. Let us go through it. Convert the following similes into metaphor. So children, here for you all, some sentences are given for you all, children. So you are supposed to convert the following similes. This is similes. You can observe here, children, as, dashed, as soft as, like, as strong as cold as, like is given. So this is simile sentences. You are supposed to convert this into metaphor sentences. So you have here 3 steps, children. Keep these 3 steps in your mind and convert the following similes into metaphor, children. Next, Create a metaphor for the following sentences. So here you can see few sentences are given for you all children. Create a metaphor for the following sentences, children. So next, day 5. Sensory details. So sensory details are words or phrases that appeal to our sense of sight, smell, sound, taste, or touch. They help the reader to understand what the author wants to communicate. What the author wants to communicate, it will help children. It is a form of imagery. So this is about the sensory details, children. So it is sensory details are the words or phrases that appeal to our sense. So what are the sense? Yeah, good. Sight, smell, sound, taste or touch. Yes, it is a form of a imagery. So here is an example, children. Let us go through it. So the water in the lake was as blue as the sky. Children, there is a note for you all. Please note it down. Similes and metaphors can also be used. So here you can see as blue as. So this is related to which sense, children? Yeah, good. It is related to sight. So next comes towards the all the children are laughing, squiggling and splashing water. So here to which sense it is been related, children? Yeah, good. It is related to sound. Next, my aunt applied a cream on me which smelled like coconuts. So which sense is being here used, children? Yeah, good. It is smell. Next, when I first jumped into lake, the water was freezing cold. So to which sense, children? Freezing cold. To which sense it is appeared? Yeah, good. To touch. Next, later we ate juicy grilled corn on the cob and drank sweet lemonade. So here juicy grilled sweet. So this words to which sense it appeals, children? Yeah, good. It appeals to taste. So this is about the sensory details, children. So now let us see using of sensory details. So children, ask yourself the following questions while adding sensory details to our text. So here we have a question and examples. So let us see an example over here by asking few following questions. Questions. Which sense can I appeal to here? So here example is it is a hot day. So which sense, children? You can see here the sun is setting the land on fire. So this is our sight. Next, my skin is like hot coal in the morning. So my skin is like hot coal. So this you can see my skin is hot coal. Hot coal this morning is nothing but which sense? Yeah, it is touch. Good children. So this is your question number 1. Next, which adjectives can I use to add more details? So here you can see which adjective can I add to ask more details. Which adjectives can I use to add more details? So here you can see it is a scorching. Scorching is an adjective. Day with a sizzling heat on us. Sizzling is also an adjective. So you can observe here which adjective can I use to add more details. So adjective is added over this, children. Next, which adjectives can I use to add more details? So here which adjectives can I use for more details? Direct comparison and indirect comparison is done. So in direct comparison you can see the day is as hot as the sun. Yes, is it correct, children? Is it direct comparison? Yeah. Next, indirect comparison. This day is fire. So this is about using the sensory details, children. So read the following sentences and tick which sense appeals to the most. Underline the word or phrases that shows the sensory details. So you are supposed to read all the sentences, children. So below each sentence you can see sensory details is given for you all. Senses is given. Read and think to which sense it appeals and tick, children. Next, rewrite the given sentences using the sensory details as mentioned in the bracket. You can see here example is given for you all here, children. It was a hot day. In the bracket sense. touch or feel. So you are supposed to rewrite the given sentence using the sensory details as mentioned in the bracket. You are supposed to rewrite it. So you can see here, it was a melting summer day. So this has been converted. So similarly, you are supposed to rewrite the given sentence using the sensory details. You can see sensory details is given in the bracket. You can rewrite the sentences by the given sentence using the sensory details as mentioned in the brackets, children. So this completes your week 1 revision class, children. Now utilize your quality time to complete the worksheets. If you have any doubts, you can call to me and clarify your doubts, children. Thank you. Happy learning.